everyone! And I am Mommy Ann. Pero, teka, parang kulang ako ng partner. Asa na nga ba siya? Sino ba? I'm so scared. Welcome to
Mommy and Asa's cooking show!
Did you miss us? Yeah, we miss you too. Okay. Okay,
My name is Ezra Amir and Esther and yet and I live in Pasig City.
And
But I will have a new home.
okay. Okay. So are you all ready? Give you
Today, me and Mom will make three what do you call this? What do you call this?
3 healthy snacks.
3 healthy snacks. This is called Quinoa chips.
And this is what?
This is quinoa.
Quinoa. You need 2 scoops of quinoa. What is that?
This is almond.
No. That is
Rolled oats.
okay, rolled oats. Ayan po.
PPP.
PPP. Okay, yun lang muna yung kailangan natin ngayon, ha? So, personalized protein powder, 1 scoop also. We only need 3 very simple ingredients for our quinoa chips. Ganito lang siya, sobrang dali lang. So, you're going to pour your 2 scoops. So, ito yung scoop na ginagamit namin, okay? So, I did 2 of these. Just pour it in the blender. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng super fancy blender. Ang kailangan lang naman talaga ay madurog nating maigi yung quinoa. So, this is like around mga 150 to 200 ml of water lang. Konti lang talaga. Konti. So, kung medyo nahihirapan kayo, i-scoop siya. Okay. And one more. Alright. Thank you for helping Mommy. Ano ang benefits mo with the quinoa chips? Of course, it's super healthy. Okay? Good sources of protein, good sources of fiber. Low calorie siya. So, low carb siya, definitely. So, it's also optional if you want to put in like a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Para lang may lasa. So, okay, now that we're done, all you have to do is haluin mo lang muna, okay? Para hindi mag-settle down lahat ng ingredients mo. And put it in. Kaya na pa, hindi pa yun. And you want to wait for all of the ingredients to settle down para mag-blend sa lahat. So na siya, medyo makapal na siya ngayon. So this is a good consistency for me. Now we're ready to pour it on the tray. Meron kaming special na, ito sa cake to eh, na ginaganon. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Lagay niyo lang sa chat.
Like this.
Yeah. Pili ko siya para siyang the Force. Lightsaber. Okay. So pour it on. Spread mo lang siya.
Icing sa cake.
Yeah, yun. Pang spread ng icing sa cake. So mas makapal
This
na
is
siya
the
ngayon.
spreader for. This is the ice cream. This is the icing spreader.
And you might want to also use a spatula para ma-scrape out mo rin lahat.
Don't you wish?
If you also want to add herbs,
like me.
okay din siya. Okay? Pero si Esang kasi minsan, kasama ko sa pagkain si Esang ng chips eh. So as much as possible, hindi ko naman na siya masyadong nilalagyan ng herbs para she enjoys it also. Okay? So it's a healthier version than your, you know, grocery chips. So spread it out. Okay, so ito na siya. Ayan na siya lahat. O, diba? Matagal-tagal mo na siya kakainin. And I think medyo makapal yung pagkakagawa ko. So, ibig sabihin, I would be getting a soft parang tortilla, parang wrap ang mangyayari sa kanya. Which you can also do that. Alright? Ito siya. Pop it in the oven. Make sure that the heat setting of the oven is nag-heat siya above and bottom. So, pop it inside. And 5 minutes. We are not yet done with the quinoa chips, pero set aside muna natin siya. Ngayon naman, healthy beverage naman tayo, okay? So, good news! Recently launched, bagong-bago lang po sa market, we already have the apple chamomile flavor ng tea. So, gagamitin natin siya ngayon. I'm so excited to use this. So, here are the ingredients of our Blue Magic Mega Tea. Okay? Okay, so this is a mega tea because we are going to use a lot of different ingredients. Of course, from Herbalife Nutrition. Magle-layer tayo na iba't ibang mga tea, okay? So we start with the bottom layer. This one, we're gonna use the apple chamomile. Okay, 1 scoop of your apple chamomile. Okay, there. Simply Probiotics. Ayan siya.
May I drink probiotics because my dad puts it in my shake.
Yeah.
I'm a Herbalife baby.
So,
and I
1
have a
scoop.
Herbalife family.
Ayan. I'm going to put in Niteworks. Okay, so put
Niteworks?
everything there.
I don't eat Niteworks.
Drink Niteworks. And since, you know, aloe vera has 3 flavors here in the Philippines, our Herbal Aloe Concentrate na gagamitin natin ngayon is mango flavor. Yellow fruit. 3 cups. Okay.
Cups.
Caps. So 1.
One.
That's 1. That's 2. And 3. Okay, 3 cups. You're going to mix
Cups.
everything together.
Cups. A
Okay.
cup is like
So, ito yung magiging base natin. Ito na yung mixture. I added a little water para lang medyo tumaas lang din at mag-dilute ng maigi yung ating tea mixture. So,
I
yan.
don't like
Mega tea tayo ngayon kasi mas marami tayong ilalagay na ingredients. So, for structure, we're going to put a lot of ice cubes. Okay, just put it all
you
in.
know my doggy like
Because gusto natin refreshing drink siya eh. So, I'm gonna use this soda water.
I will wait.
You can use the ice cubes for structure. Ayan. So, pagapangin mo dun sa ice cubes. So, pag medyo malapit ka na sa dulo, you can end. So, kita nyo, di ba? Nag-separate na siya.
Mommy, what happened?
It's a mixture. There you go. And it's coloring already. It's color
Pink.
blue! Di ba? Amazing! And hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. The reason why it's called Blue Magic is once you add your citric acid or your lemon squeeze, look at what happens. Oh! So squeeze tayo ng lemon. And it transforms into this magic. Anong color yan, Sam? It's turning
What?
purple!
Oh.
Oh my goodness! Look! Oh wow! So there you have it! Your magic tea! Mega tea that is! So you might also want to put in your chia seeds if you want. Ako, I like to, you know, just put in a little more beautiful. There. Galing, no?
It's like a beach drink.
Yeah! So, here's your tea. Ayan na siya. Galing mo! Yeah! Are you ready? So, sabi ko nga, 3 healthy recipes ngayon. For the last shake naman na gagawin natin, okay, ang gagawin ko naman is a coffee matcha latte. Wow! Di ba? I'm sure you have heard of coffee matcha sa ibang mga coffee shops. Pero I'd like to, you know, give it a try also using Herbalife Nutrition products. We start off with matcha powder. Okay? And then, soy milk.
I love milk.
And your Herbalife vanilla
I
shake.
drink that.
Yeah, she drinks that. And, you know, lalagyan. Magandang lalagyan. Alright?
And
So,
I drink all of the flavors of
ice
Herbalife
cubes.
Nutrition products.
Very good. Thank you. You put your 2 tablespoons of powdered matcha. So, put everything in. And then you whisk it. You can whisk it with yung pang-whip. Or, ako naman, spoon lang ginagamit ko. So, just mix it very, very well. Slowly pour it on the cup. Okay?
So, mangyayari is it will turn green.
Yeah. You see the green one, no?
See the green? Oh, I have you. Oh, I got it.
Thank you. So, 100 ml soy milk. Add your 1 scoop or 2 scoops of Herbalife vanilla shake. Okay, I add 2 scoops.
Herbalife Nutrition
Yeah.
Club.
It's up to you if you want to put in personalized protein powder. Pero dito, wala. So, slowly, you pour it also on the matcha drink. So, again, pagapangin mo with the kapal siya. There you go. Yeah. So, ito na yung brewed coffee. Lalagyan natin siya dahan-dahan. And then, look what happens.
Yellow.
Wow! Look at that head. So good.
It's 3 colors, guys. It is green, white, and yellow.
So, there you have it. Your super sarap.
And
O, diba? Coffee matcha latte. Obviously from only made with Herbalife Nutrition. So now the quinoa chips are ready. Ta-da! Ayan na siya. Please be careful when you're cutting because the tray is very hot. So what I do is, ayan, hinahanap ko lang yung parchment paper. So doon ako kumukuha. And then, you cut it like that. Ayan na siya. So you can cut it into chips. You put it here. Then, dahil medyo makapal yung nagawa nating quinoa spread, malambot siya. Pero this is good also like a wrap, as a wrap.
okay.
What? Like it? It's good. This is perfect for dips. Whatever you like.
May I want cheese dip? This is the end of the video. Click on the link if you want more of our videos. Don't forget to click on the red button and subscribe on my channel.
Our channel.
And Mommy and Isaac's cooking show. Want more of our videos? Click on the link. Goodbye.
Bye! Ito na siya. Sarap! Di ba? Bye-bye, kiss. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!